Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the capture because quality begins there. Use the rear camera and select the highest resolution and frame rate, 60 FPS for fast motion, 30 FPS for standard movement. Lock exposure and focus to avoid shifts during the short. Record vertical 9, 16 at 1080p or 4K to match shorts format. Once done, keep the clip slightly longer than needed so you can trim precisely. Make sure filters are off, and raw or high bitrate options are enabled for better color grading later. Next, edit on a mobile app that preserves bitrate and color, trim to shorts length, stabilize, and perform gentle color correction. Use a 9:16 canvas and keep important text inside safe margins so YouTube doesn't crop it. Export using H.264 or H.265 with a higher bitrate, about 10 to 20 Mbps for 1080p, and AAC audio at 128 kbps for clarity. Once exported, review the file on your phone to confirm sharp. Finally, open the YouTube app and start upload. YouTube detects vertical clips under 60 seconds as shorts, but include hash shorts in the description to be safe. Choose Wi-Fi and disable any data saver or background upload compression in settings, and pick the highest upload quality option. Once uploaded, review playback on mobile and desktop. If the video looks degraded, re-export at a higher bitrate or upload from a desktop to bypass mobile re-encoding. This often resolves visible compression artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.